So hello guys, this is one of my 2-minute videos. Today we are going to prove that all interior angles of a triangle are 180 degrees. Let's start. So let the timer start. The timer has started. So now first thing is we will draw a triangle. Yes, A, B, C. We have to prove that x plus y plus z is equal to 180. So to do that we need to see few concepts first. That is, if there are two parallel lines and there is a transversal, this angle will always be equal to this angle. These are the alternate interior angles. These will always be equal, because if this is x, this is 180 minus x, and then this has to be x. There is a video on my channel about this, you can go and watch that. Okay, so alternate interior angles are equal. That is the only thing that we need to know. We draw one more triangle. Yeah, and then we draw a line which is parallel to this line. If this is x, this will be x. If this is y, this will be y. And if this is z, then this only will be z. But EF is a straight line, right? And on a straight line, the sum of angles is 180. So x plus y plus z equals to 180 degrees. We finished 16 minutes before. And if you like these kind of videos, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, and comment if you have any doubts. I'll be sure to reply. Thank you guys. That was Learn and Grow.